In this video, I will show you how to use the Bing AI image generator. So let's jump straight into it. So in order to do this, the first thing you're going to want to do is open up a new Internet Explorer, and you want to come across to the website bing.com/create. So what that's going to do is take you across to a page like this, and straight away from here you can go ahead and start creating images. Now all you need to do is basically describe what kind of image you would like to create. So in this example I'm just going to put bird in sky. Of course you can be a lot more specific, so you could say something like bird flying in clear blue sky with sun. And you can be as specific as you want to, or you can just make it very generic. It's completely up to you, but what you want to do basically once you've done that is press the pink button underneath which says join and create. Now what you're going to want to do, if you've already got an account with Outlook, it's going to ask you to sign in. So what you want to do is go ahead and sign in. If not, you can go ahead and create an account. So you just want to go ahead and do that. And once you've gone ahead and logged in, it's going to take you across to a screen like this. Now you can see the image is actually being created down here. You can see the progress bar going across. And as you can see, it's now created what we've asked for, which was a bird flying in a clear blue sky with the sun. Now what's going to happen is you get a certain amount of credits, which is 15 credits. Now what you can do is, of course, you need to wait for these to refresh, but you get 15 at a time, and each idea you put in is going to generate 4 different images, and as you can see they're actually very good. They're very high quality. So if you want to use any of these images, so I'm actually going to go for this one. I quite like this one, so I'm going to click onto it first of all, and you're going to see it's going to take us to the image screen. And all you want to do is go ahead and you can either download from here or you can share this if you want to. But yeah, I've just gone ahead and downloaded it so we can open this up and see the image that we've generated. So it's a very cool little tool. It's very easy to use, and as I say, you get 15 credits at a time. So I can go ahead and type something else in. Let's just go for anime girl doing peace sign with fingers. As I say, you can be as specific as you want. So let's go for long brown hair, big blue eyes. And what I like about this one is it's very good. It's some other image generators you've got like Leonardo, sometimes it does miss out certain details, but what you seem to put into this one is very good. It does seem to pick it all up. So we're just going to give that another minute to generate this next image. And as you can see, again, this has done exactly what we've asked for. So you can see we've asked for an anime girl doing the peace sign, which she's doing. We wanted long brown hair. Well, they've both got long brown hair, and they've both got big blue eyes. So that's basically a quick overview and how to use the Bing AI image generator. I hope this tutorial did help you out today, and if it did, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute. Thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.